All right, so I've got a special guest today. My daughter is helping me. So we're going to be making Picasso faces, and we're going to start off with a big shape for our face. I'm going to do a triangle head, and my daughter, Zoe, is going to do a rectangle head. All right, so there's her example there. And then we're going to draw hair around the head, and you can draw all kinds of different hair. So let me show you a few examples of the different kinds of hair that we can draw. So here is a rectangle shape, and there's like girl hair going along. So just long girl hair there. So I'm going to do curly hair here. And then so that's how you would do curly hair. And if you want to do like boy hair, you could just do boy hair like that, or even boy hair like that. There's lots of different ways you can do hair. You could do boy hair like that, or short hair like that. However you think you want to do the hair, go for it. Okay, now we're going to draw the nose shape. And to do that, you're going to come down, make a little triangle, and then go to the corner of your shape, or off to the side, so that it's like the profile of a face. Nope, not like that, Zoe. So like a triangle, and then a line down, and then curve it to the side there. Good. So now you've got the profile of your face. All right, now we're going to draw two eyes. We're going to draw a profile eye, which is a triangle with a rounded side there. See how Zoe's using her eraser every time she makes a mistake? And that's okay. Using erasers is totally fine. And then you're going to draw a regular football oval shaped eye with an eyeball in the middle. So I like to draw a vertical oval and then have that overlapped with a horizontal oval, just like Zoe and I did there. Zoe is a bit of a perfectionist when it comes to her drawing, and that is okay. And then we're going to do a mouth. So start with just a line, and then you're going to do kind of like a heart shape for the upper lip. Just a curved line starting in and then going down to the end there, and then a loop or a U shape for the bottom of the lip. All right, now I'm going to add some eyebrows and the bangs for the hair. So my cubist portrait doesn't look bald. So just by adding some hair on the forehead and then erasing everything above that makes it look like you have bangs. So there's different kinds of bangs you could do there, like that. All right, great. So mine's looking great, Zoe's looking great, yours is going to look great. Now we divide the space up, and we're only going to use like 5 or 6 lines, and wherever that line touches is where you're going to stop. Now see, Zoe's making a mistake here. She's crossing over the lines, and what you want to do is when you get to a line, stop, so that you're not crossing over any lines. Then you're going to take a black crayon. We're using Sharpie, but you have crayons, and crayons work great. So just take your black crayon and go over all of your pencil lines, including the dividing lines. And I like to make a really thick line around my nose and chin, just to really show that. All right, so you want to outline everything in black before we start painting. Okay, so now we're going to paint it in. And when we're painting it in, we're going to be thinking about warm colors and our cool colors. Because it is so abstract, our warm colors are, red, orange, and yellow, and our cool colors are green, blue, and purple. Very good. And that purple does look so dark that it looks black, but yes, it is purple right there. So the color next to the blue is the purple. Okay, so we need to choose which one you are going to use. Warm colors or cool colors. We're not going to use brown or black. Those are neutral colors. So we're only using warm and cool colors. So I am going to do my face in cool colors. And Zoe is going to do her face in warm colors. So we are going to start painting now. My face in cool colors, her face in warm colors. And as you can see, both Zoe and I painted neatly and completely. Now it's time for my background. I'm ready for my background. So I'm going to divide the spaces up using those lines that do not intersect. And I'm going to do the opposite. So now my background is going to be in warm colors. And I'm going to fill in each one of those spaces with a warm color. That really makes my face pop out from the background. When Zoe's done with hers, she will fill in her background with cool colors. All right, let's see how this works out. All right, now we're seeing Zoe finish up her painting, and as you can see, she did her face all in warm colors and her background in cool colors, and that is what you are also going to do. All right, these both look fantastic, and I know yours is going to look fantastic too. I can't wait to see it.